In this video, now I will show how to use the multimeter. The multimeter has a lot of scales and we have two tips. In this case, one in the color black and another in the color red. And as you can see, the tip in color black has to be connected to the ground or to the comb. And if we want to measure voltage, resistance, microamperes, and also capacitors and diodes, we have to connect the red tip to this connector. So we can see a lot of scales that we can select. For example, we have alternate current, we have continuous current, we have resistance, we have diode, we have measurement of capacitors, we have amperes and microamperes. If we want to measure amperes, we have to change the tip to this connection. Only if we want to measure amperes, but in our case, we're going to measure voltage. So I turn to select the voltage, and now I will measure the voltage on the microcontroller that I use to this practice. In this case, I will measure the voltage in the ESP32. For example, we have a voltage that this kit provides us. In this case, is 3.3 volts, and I will put the black in the ground. After that, I will put the other tip in 3.3. As you can see, the multimeter shows in the measure 3.3 volts. Now we can measure another features of the microcontroller. For example, in begin, we can found 5 volts. Notice that if I measure in the point begin and ground, we can see 5 volts that is in the microcontroller. Now we can do another measure. So, for example, we can measure the resistance of the resistance of this resistance. I change the scale, and I will measure what is the resistance of this. Notice that it is 219 ohms, and this multimeter shows the scale automatic. This is my video for my practice. Thanks for watching me.